Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗵. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price settled above the historical support at $1.540 yesterday, attempting to get rid of the negative pressures and start covering the losses by gathering the positive momentum again. Confirming the bullish scenario requires the continuous stability above the current support to expect upside target of $1.750 level soon, followed by attempting to press on $1.950 resistance line to move on bullish track in the upcoming period. MCX natural gas price is hovering near to its key resistance of 136 level on upside, and break above will surge the price further up till 143 and 150 level in near term. On the other hand, key support hold at 125 level on the downside, and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.